Welcome to Contconcord. Hello there. I welcome you to the intro tutorial about Buyer Guide. First, click on the Login button at the top of the home page. After successful login, this is Advertiser Dashboard. Next, you have to click on the Search for Publishers from the left panel of your screen. All the filters will open in front of you. But, as a new member, you won't be able to see any blog list. To see the complete list, you must deposit a minimum of $25 in your Contconcord wallet as security. This step is important to keep this platform safe from many scammers. Now, click on the wallet from the left panel, and you will be redirected to the Contconcord wallet page. Here you will see a box with the title Add Funds. Below, you have to add the exact funds you want to transfer and click Add Funds on the right side of the bar. Now, you will be redirected to the PayPal login web page. From here, you can add the required funds easily. Once you are done with it, then, come back to Dashboard. Hover your mouse on your profile, and the drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Switch to Buyer, and the Buyer dashboard will be opened now once again. At the top right corner, you can see that the selected amount is now added to your account. Now, click on Search for Publisher from the left panel, and instead of the previous message about adding funds, now, you will see the complete list of available publishers in front of you. It is up to you from which publisher you want to buy post. If you are looking for some specific publisher, then at the very top, you can see multiple filters. The first option is blog type. Select the type you want. The next option will be categories. From here, select the niche you want. After this comes filter by language to look for websites in a specific language. Now comes service type, and from here, you can choose from content placement and content creation. The next filter option is minimum and maximum price, DA, and DR. Next, select Do Follow or No Follow from the Links option. Lastly, select the range of traffic from the Traffic option. Once all the filters are applied, click Apply Filters. Now you will visualize the list that you require. Furthermore, if you already know about a publisher with whom you have worked in the past, then write or paste the domain in the bar, and click on Apply Filters. Now, you can see just a single publisher on your screen. Now, click on the Buy Post on the extreme right side of the publisher. Here, you will be redirected to Create Task page. At the top, you can see all the instructions for the niches we do not accept. These niches include casino, poker, gambling, betting, dating, alcohol, and adult. Below that, you will see the three options for content placement, content creation, and link insertion. For the first option of content placement, you will see a box to add your text. Below, you can see the option to choose file to add your text file directly. Next comes the URL option, and here you have to add the link you want to insert. Next to that, you will see the note by the publisher for the number of links he accepts. After that, there is anchor text, where you have to add the anchor text. Next to that, you will see the note by the publisher for the number of anchors he accepts. If there are any special requirements, then write them down in the special requirements box. And if you want to add infographics, check the box for an additional $30. Finally, click on Send. For the content creation option, you will see three further categories as mini post, article, and long article. Add the special requirements in the box below. Below that, add the URL that you want to be inserted. After that, add anchor text in the box below. Finally, Submit your order by clicking on the Send button. As for the link insertion, you will see just two options. The first one is to add the link in the URL box. Secondly, add the anchor in the anchor text box. And submit your order by clicking Send. Once the order is submitted, you will see a green notification at the top right. To keep track of your order, click on the task from the left panel. Now you can visualize a complete list of your orders. Now click on the view to check the progress of your order. And, if you want to cancel your order, click on the Cancel button at the top right side of the order progress.